Facebook Followers feature allows users to follow people or pages they are interested in to stay updated on their content. This feature works differently from the friend request feature as it doesn't require mutual acceptance and the user being followed doesn't have to follow back. When a user follows a page, they will see its post in their newsfeed and they will also receive notifications when the page posts an update. For people, users can choose to follow them to see their public posts and updates on their profile page. By following a person or a page, a user will receive their content and they can like, comment, and share the content they find interesting. Followers can also decide to unfollow a person or a page if they no longer want to receive their updates. For public figures, brands, or businesses, having more followers means more people will see their posts, which can increase their online presence and reach a wider audience. For individual users, having more followers means they can share their content with a larger audience, express their opinions, and connect with like-minded people.